Okay, first one up, new client with his lovely Harley iron. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets. He does use this daily, so I want to make sure it's properly protected for the English winter ahead. Unfortunately, it's a satin finish, so I can't do much polishing on that, but the rest of it's going to get all detailed, polished, get that swing arm all sorted out. We'll get a nice coating of XCP clear coat on it. All these little chrome bits and pieces, they're already starting to pit, so I will polish all those up, make sure they've got a good coating of the clear coat, get those wheels sorted. All this will be cleaned up. It's just starting to pit there. Get that windscreen all polished, get it looking like it should. Like I said, more than anything, get a nice coating of protection on it for the winter ahead. Let's get cracking. And there you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Harley Sportster iron has been fully trotted. What a transformation. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets with a good coating of the XCP clear coat. I did dust that exhaust with a bit of satin black as it was looking pretty sad and loads of scratches on there. I painted a few other bits on the crash bar that were scratched up. Like I said, it's had a good coating of the XCP clear coat. All the discs have been meticulously cleaned. I just refitted this windscreen. I've polished that up. Managed to get rid of all that pitting on the forks and the top of the forks. All ready for the winter ahead. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.